Ciao mondo, hello world, hola mundo, hello monde, konnichiwa, ni hao, namaste. We are here today with Viktoria Weber, the president of the European Society of Artificial Organs, and we are at the European meeting in Krems, Austria. So Viktoria, can you tell us a bit about this meeting and the university?
Yes, sure. Welcome to everybody. So it's the 48th Congress actually of the European Society for Artificial Organs, and we are proud to host it here in Krems. It's about organ replacement, but it's also about organ support. So we span the whole range from extracorporeal therapies to biomaterials to cardiovascular technologies. We are very glad that we have in our society and the ESAO, we have a very active also young community. We had the young ESAO meeting yesterday and the day before with 80 students and with 80 young researchers here at the campus who also had some workshops at the core facility. So that was a nice, I think also a nice encounter at the campus here in Krems. And we have 3 universities here at the campus, I should say. The University for Continuing Education, Krems, the University of Applied Sciences, where we are at the moment, and a university for medicine, a private university, and we all share this very nice campus, and we are glad to host ESAO here.
So thank you very much, and I have the honor to give one of the plenary lectures on adsorption, speaking about sorbents from bench to bedside, so matching the knowledge of engineering with the knowledge of doctors and medicine, trying to provide for our patient a new solution for extracorporeal blood purification. With this, I thank you very much for attending today Cappuccino from Krems, Austria, and thank you, Viktoria, for this kind invitation.
Thank you, Claudio.
Excellent.
Excellent.